Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how I made my game Apple Harvest. But before that, if you have not downloaded the game already, click the link in the description and download the game right now. Also, to help me out on the next video where I'm going to show how much you can earn through Unity ads, click the Make Me Rich button while playing the game. Thank you. Let's begin with the video. So I created a new Unity project and switched the build to Android. Then I directly added the assets to the Unity. I've already shown you how I made the apple and basket, and I downloaded the tree from Sketchfab. I also made an farmer character in Blender, which was going to be the main player, but its animation got messed up. Maybe I will add him in the future updates. Then I made the player script for our basket, which was going to move left and right. And then added a Cinemachine camera which basically served no purpose. Then I refactored the code a little and added the new input system so that it will be easy for me to add touch controls in the future. Now the game is back at the same point. Then I added two colliders so the basket doesn't go out of the screen and used raycast to detect the colliders. Then I added the apples to the scene and added a rigid body and a sphere collider so that they can fall. Then I created an apple generator script which will make these apples fall from random locations. And now it's looking like this. Then I added sound for when the apple falls into the basket. And also added a background music which I got for free. Then I added a scoring system into the game which will give you different points depending on the color of the apple. Similarly, I added another text that showed the number of apples caught. Then I made a game manager script which controls the various states of the game, like starting the game, game playing, and game over. Then I added a countdown to start the game. And then I designed a game over UI. After that, I made a countdown timer. And after the timer runs out, the game over screen will be displayed. Then I designed the main scene, which would be the starting page of the game, and also a loading page before starting the game. All the UI steps that I'm following are from the Code Monkeys tutorial. I have very less experience in working on UI, this project being the second time I'm working on UI. So it's a very basic one. Then I added a script to pause the game. And also made a pause screen UI. Then I made an options menu where you can control the music and the sound volumes. Then I also added some animations for the countdown text. Then I used a free asset to change the skybox and also made it rotate in the background. And did the same for the game scene and the main menu scene. And then I added the touch controls, and that was it for the game. Okay, so that was not the end. I've actually made some more changes which I have not recorded while developing the game. So I made this Apple Harvest logo from an online website for free and also did some post processing. So now the background is little blurry. So after I published the game, I found out about Google Play services. So now I'm trying to make a sign in button and also a leaderboard which will be available in future updates. So now when I play, it shows sign in failed because I'm still working on it and trying to figure it out. Other than that, I have also made some changes in the game scene. So I have already shown you the options UI, and this is the game paused UI, and this is the game over UI. So I have added a make me rich button here which will play ads in the game. They are interstitial ads, so you won't be getting a reward for it. But if you play the game, please click on it at least for a week so that I can get enough data for the next video. And adding ads was the main reason why I made this project. It's a really small project, but I wanted to see what it's like to publish a game and is there any scope for Unity ads. Then I also made a pause button for the mobile screen and changed the score text to a single digit bold letter and changed the controls from swiping to buttons because I was not happy with the way it was before. So there is just a visual and a button which is above it, which is quite big. And yeah, that's it. That's all the project. Let's play the final game one time. So I'm currently playing it on keyboard. Obviously it's a mobile game, so you can play it on mobile as well. But you can also control it with a keyboard, a mouse or a gamepad as well because I used a new input system. Yeah, be sure to click the make me rich button. It will really help me out. Currently I'm getting this thing. So that's how I made my game Apple Harvest. That's it for the video. Be sure to download it and also click the make me rich button. Thank you. Bye.